So today I would like to show you how to make a sekka shibori tutorial because so many requests from you. I made the sekka video before. I was made a sekka video before, and so actually this one is just like the itajime technique, but the differences is how to dye or deep dye the fabric. So in this video I would like to show you in detail. It's maybe long, but it's okay. I would like to show you step by step to make this. Okay, let's go. So here I have a fabric. It's about 20 meters and a half maybe, but I recommend you to use just 2 meters because if more than 2 meters the fabric is not really good, the pattern is not really good, and if less than 2 meters also the fabric or the dyes is not absorbed well. So in here I just like fold into half and then fold it again like the accordion fold in here like this. But the first you need to make sure that which one the top and the bottom side of the fabric. In here I would like to fold. I always fold like about 10 centimeters like accordion fold. So in here you can see, make sure the size it's about like 10. It's okay if you would like to fold maybe 9, but make sure that the fold is precisely the same, the left and the right like this. If this one is 10, here also 10. So yeah, we need to fold like this. If you iron the fold, it's actually more easy to you to adjust the size. Like this. So yeah, we need to like a zigzag fold. Okay, and it's finished like this. So you can see this one finished. I pleat the textile like the fold accordion. I fold it into half and then fold it accordion again. But actually if you would like to make accordion full on 2 meters, it's okay, it's up to you. And now I would like to fold it again from here to there like that. Okay, just start like this. It's actually the accordion fold also. I'm sorry, I think I would like to make it like a triangle, but on the shirt before you see that one is the square accordion fold, this one is the triangle fold, triangle and accordion fold like this. Ini naman mau beres. Okay, and it's done. And so remember to fold accordion and then fold in triangle shape like this. So like 2 process of folding technique. You can iron before you dip on or fold like this. Next, so hi. So the next is to tie it with the rubber like this on the fabric after you fold it. In the previous video I tie it like this, but if you would like to make like a snowflakes pattern, so you can tie it like this. So you need to tie it like 3 times maybe. Actually, the more strong how you tie it, and then the more strong the pattern you got it, like this. And then this one first, and then the second, and then the third. So this one the first layer, and then we need to move to the second rubber, like this, from here to here. So remember, from the sharp of the triangles to the bottom of the triangles, like this, like this, like this. So this one is triangles, the same the size of the side of the triangles. Okay, and then one more here. Like this. Okay, and it's finished. Now I would like to dip this one on the water first and prepare the dyeing, the dyes I mean. Don't forget to wear gloves, because today I would like to dip the shibori into like a semi-color color. It's not natural dyes, because yeah, I would like to show you like just the method, the process. So yeah, it's a quick process. Like you can see how the patterns like.
Colok ini nggak apa?
Ya nggak apa-apa lah, tinggal dibersihin aja. I would like to prepare the dyes. I think just a little bit, because it's just for one fabric. I think it's enough. And this one, I have a remasol color. Actually, you can use indigo or whatever. Oh, look. What color actually this one? Look at this. It's blue. Now I'm going to ready to dip the fabric to the dyes. I don't know. I think I would like to just dip just on here. Actually, you can use like some timing for this, like 10 seconds, and then dip it again for 10 seconds, and then dip it again for 10 seconds, like that. Like this, and then here, like 10 seconds. If you would like to use like different color on every edges, yeah, it's really good also. So you can make like the pink on here, and then the blue on here, or the yellow on the other side. Okay, just wait. I watch you. So after we dip to the dyes, we need to wait about like a day to the color or the dye absorb well. So here I have like samples in here, like itajime, shibori, but I dip it just, this one is just a little bit on the edges in here, and then this one is like a deep dye to the start from the edges to the triangle part, and then this one is the combination between the blue, and I dip it again with the like a brown color. So like this, if you dip a bit, so it will be like this, and then that one is another, just the blue, and this one is like what it's called, the combination of the color. So yeah, I would like to update the fabric that we made before on the next video, and then that's all for me for today. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.